showing you advanced F2L. Now in advanced F2L, normally we should take and separate pieces like this to each other and solve it in its corresponding piece. But now in advanced F2L, if you have cases like this where this edge is struck right here and the corner is struck, instead of taking like this, you could bring the corner down and take it out and solve it. And in this case where the two pieces are attached, now in this case you can do an R, you do R prime, and that sets up to an easy insertion. If you want to see this pair where it moves, you should insert it in the left. And now this cases can be solved using pseudo slotting. Instead you should turn the cube, or else you could do like this. I'll show both the ways to do. First I'll show this way. Take this piece out and solve it. The another way is to turn the cube, do a cube rotation, hide this corner, take this edge and solve it. This is the most common case. If you have a piece, not this corner this sticker is facing not up here. So you should do a cube rotation, hide the corner, move the edge out and easily solve like this. If you have a case like this, you can do is hide the corner, do an U2 and separate, and you can do an easy insertion. Now I showed this case before, but in this case if you take out like this, you can solve it easily. So you should keep it in the back, solve it in the back slot and insert. This is, if you get a case like this, you will simply solve using beginner's method. But if I get that case, you can do an F prime and solve it. That solves it easily. And normally if you have a case like this, you can separate it like this, or you can solve like this. Do an R prime, do an inverse left RLU prime, and that will solve. And that's it for this video. See you again soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Bye.